Hunter, outlaw. You see him? Oh, no. He'll die soon. If he dies, you want to run in there? No! Oh, nice, take it. Should I land or no? It's not. Oh, I see him. I see. You hit him? Oh, shot. I see, he's running. Yeah, he's running. On the... left, right. You see him on top? Shoot him. Easy kill, easy kill. Kill him, 500 points. Oh, shots. I'll move. I don't know. Oh, I got hit. I'm bleeding. I don't know. I'm gonna land fast. I'm bleeding a lot. My game froze. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, I can't move. I can't move the heli. I can't move the heli, I got knocked out. I can't move. No, I can't move the heli. I can only move up. Oh, auto hover. No. Can I land here? I can't go down. Oh, I'm good. I died. Is the heli going? Yeah, you're not gonna be able to survive. You're dead? What? How? You jumped out? Maybe. I don't know where we are. Damn. There was like 6 people there. Can you get my body?